Think about the last time you tried to keep track of dozens of customer conversations, follow-ups, and deals all at once, using spreadsheets, sticky notes, or just your memory. At first, it works. But as your business grows, things start slipping through the cracks. Missed follow-ups, lost leads, confused team members. Sounds familiar? That's the problem a CRM system can solve. In this video, I'll break down what CRM is, how it works, different types of CRM systems, and how to choose the right one for your business. Let's get started. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is a strategy for building and managing relationships with customers and prospects, supported by a tool that keeps everything running smoothly. It brings all your customer data into one space, making communication more efficient and personalized. That means no more switching between emails, spreadsheets, and scattered notes. Everything is organized in a single platform, from contact details to deal progress. As a result, you always have a clear, structured view of every customer journey. Here's how it works. When a new lead comes in, the information is automatically stored in the CRM system. Every interaction, including emails, calls, and messages, gets recorded. At the same time, the system tracks where every lead is in your sales pipeline and reminds you when it's time to follow up. So instead of guessing, your team always knows exactly where things stand. A CRM system includes several essential features that support your daily workflow. Contact management keeps all your customer, lead, and partner data stored in one centralized database. Task automation handles follow-ups and routine communication, reducing repetitive manual work. Sales and interaction tracking lets you monitor conversations, track deals through a pipeline, and stay on top of every opportunity. Segmentation and personalization help you tailor your marketing based on customer actions and preferences. Analytics and reporting give you insights into your marketing performance, allowing you to measure revenue and understand what's working and what you need to adjust. These features help you save time, enhance customer relationships, and make more informed decisions. Not all CRM systems are the same. There are three main types, and each serves a different purpose. Operational CRM systems focus on automation. They help you manage sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, and customer support more efficiently. Analytical CRM is all about data. It helps you understand customer behavior, track performance, and make better business decisions. Collaborative CRM systems connect your teams. Sales, marketing, and support all work with the same data, so nothing gets lost between departments. Most modern CRMs combine all three, giving you a complete system in one space. As you can see, CRM systems combine multiple functions to support your entire workflow. But what does that look like in practice? Let's break down the real value they bring. Better lead and opportunity management. A CRM helps you track every lead and deal from the first interaction to closing. You always see where every lead stands, what to do next, and which ones to prioritize. Unified customer data. All your customer information, from contact details to purchase history and past interactions, is stored in one place and updated in real time. This creates a single source of truth, helping your team collaborate better, avoid mistakes, and make more informed decisions. Streamline project and task management. CRM systems help you organize tasks, schedule follow-ups, and manage workflows more efficiently. Scalability and customization. As your business grows, your CRM system grows with it. You can customize pipelines, fields, and processes to match your business needs. Marketing and sales alignment. With shared data and visibility, your marketing and sales teams stay on the same page. This leads to smoother handoffs, better communication, and more consistent results. Automated reporting. Instead of building reports manually, your CRM software generates insights automatically, from sales performance to customer actions, so you can make faster, smarter decisions. Third-party tool integration. A good CRM system should seamlessly integrate with your existing tools, like email marketing services, messaging platforms, and marketing software, creating a seamless workflow across your entire tech stack. Enhanced customer segmentation. You can group your audience based on user actions, preferences, or deal stage in the pipeline, and tailor your communication to every segment for better engagement. Many people think CRM is only for large companies, but that's not true. CRM is for anyone who works with customers. Freelancers managing clients, small businesses running outreach, startups building sales processes, or large teams handling complex deals, all of them benefit from CRM. If managing customers manually is starting to slow you down, That's your sign that you need one. Not sure which CRM system is right for you? Well, finding the right tool can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. SendPulse offers a built-in CRM system that lets you manage your entire sales pipeline in one clean visual interface. You can track deals, assign tasks, and monitor progress without switching between tools. What makes it especially powerful is its integration with other SendPulse features. Your CRM system connects directly with email campaigns, chatbots for messaging platforms, automation flows, and landing pages. This gives you a complete view of your customer journey, all on a single platform. Getting started is simple. Add your contacts, set up your pipeline, and start managing deals right away. You can automate routine tasks and keep your team focused on closing. And the best part? There is a free plan so you can try it out without any upfront cost. Ready to see how it works for you? The link is in the description below. And that's CRM in a nutshell. It's not just a tool, it's the foundation of a more streamlined, efficient, and customer-focused businesses. If you found this video helpful, give it your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more marketing and automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.